Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today we are discuss some important topics of business studies, which will help you to score good marks in your examinations. So let me start. Except the functions of the management, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, there is one essence of management, that is coordination. So, what is coordination? Coordination brings unity in action and integrate different activities of the organization. What are the different activities of the organization? That is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Okay. So it brings unity in action and integrate different activities of the organization. Now, here are some points, that is coordination is needed to perform all the functions of management. What are the functions of management? That is planning. We have learn here planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and the last one is, what is the name of the last one? Can anybody will tell me? Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and the last one is controlling. Very good. Okay, so coordination is needed to perform all the functions of the management, that is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Okay. Next one is coordination is required at every level. What are the levels? We have discussed earlier. What are the levels of management? That is top level, middle level, and lower level. लोअर लेवल, और इसको हम किस नाम से जानते हैं? दैट इज ऑपरेशनल लेवल. ऑपरेशनल लेवल as well as supervisory level. The next point is coordination is most important function of an organization. Without coordination, if these functions are performed without coordination, so there is a no use of planning, no use of organizing, no use of directing, staffing, and controlling. Clear? So coordination is the most important function of the organization. I hope that is clear to you. Now we will talk about nature and features of coordination. The first one is coordination integrates group activity. It means for individual person there is no need for coordination, but for the group efforts there should be a need of coordination. Without coordination, the integrated group effort does not get the achievement of the goal of the organization. Next one is ensuring unity of efforts. There should be unity of efforts. There should be purchase manager, sales manager, and production manager. There should be a unity of efforts. Not a single individual will perform or achieve their target of the organization. Next one is continuous process. Coordination is a continuous process. It performs simultaneously with the planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Next one is coordination is a pervasive function. It is available at everywhere in planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling at every level of management, that is top level, middle level, or lower level. Next one is responsible for every manager. Responsibilities of every manager. Coordination is the responsibility of every manager. Every manager have to check that there should be a coordination between the things. If there is no coordination, they should remove the barriers that will happens to achieve the target of the organization. I hope that is clear to you. Now, coordination is a deliberate function. Every manager tries to coordinate with the activities of the organization to avoid any kind of if we are talking about any kind of mistakes or confusion or chaos in the organization. So coordination is a deliberate function which will check either if the functions are coordination is there in the organization or not. I hope that is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you everyone. I hope कि आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी. Thank you.